This is my new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. This is my earbuds. I have recently ordered it through Samsung website and it is a latest edition in Samsung, like all those awesome gadgets that they come up with. This one right now I received like maybe yesterday I received this one and it took like 4 days for them to send it to me. It was through the website. It is expedite shipping, and which is free. And they promised to send it like dispatch it in 2 days, and that's what they did. And now you can see it. I already have it. Like in 4 days, I have it in my hands, and it's in perfect condition. You can see there has been no damages. Like the shipping company did a good job, and the packing was all perfect. So there's like it's just super cute and a small box, and I cannot wait to open it. But yeah, before that, I want to tell you a little bit more about this one. So this one I have ordered in Mystic Black shade, and why I went for this one is because I have ordered another gift for myself, which is my Samsung phone, that is Galaxy Z Fold 2. It is again Mystic Black shade, and it has a special feature which is the red metallic hinge that I have ordered, and that is the reason it's taking some time to reach me, because they promised to custom make it for you. So I'm waiting for that one. And to match my new phone, I have these earbuds in the same shade. And I've also ordered a watch which is called the Galaxy Watch 3, and the shade is a little different. I have not gone for the same one. So that one is also something I'm waiting. It's like it's on it's in transit. I think I'm gonna receive it in a day or two, and I'm gonna unbox that and also have that video for you guys. So I can read a little bit more on the box before I open it. Let me just see what all it says. So this one says this side it says Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, and it's a nice box actually. It's a cute one. And then it says on the back side it says Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, ergonomic fit, 6 to 21 hours of playtime. Then it says triple mics for clear call. And this fourth feature is something I'm really excited about. This is active noise cancellation. So with the current situation, all work from home, and you want silence, you don't want background noise, I think I'm really looking forward to this feature. This is something I'm going to really test. And it says certain other things, like it is compatible with all smartphones and tablets running Android 5.0 or higher. And it also says it is compatible with iPhone 7 or later models with iOS 10 or higher. And then it also says, depending on the usage and settings, the battery life may vary. And what else is there? It says for information, the product is subject to Samsung terms and conditions. Okay, this is okay. Now let me see. There's one more thing which is called packaging contents. Let me read that. It says earbud left and right, charging case, wing tip, 2 sets, USB-C cable, quick start guide. So these are the things that are in the box. Is there anything else that I can read for you guys? I think that's all. This is the information, and it's like printed in Vietnam, model number, and it says made in Vietnam by Samsung. So, okay, so I think we are ready to unbox it and see what's inside. I'll just quickly open it and let's see. To figure out, yeah, I have to cut both the sides. Oh, cool. So here on the cover, like the top cover, I have this little thingy. I don't know what it is. Let me see. I don't know. I don't want to rip it open. 1 second. So yes, we have a guide, like it said, a quick start guide, and I think it will give all the details. So what's in the box? Your device, earbuds, charging case, charge your device, charge case indicators. Then it says download Samsung wearable app. Now this one says insert the buds into the charging case, close the car charging case and connect the USB cable, the earbuds and the charging case are charged simultaneously. Okay, this is great. So now here it says green fully charged or above 60% battery. Yellow means between 30 and 60% of battery. Red charging or below 30% of battery. Flashing red charging disabled or error due to abnormal temperatures or low battery. So this is something I just read quickly. Now let's see, let's move forward with this one. And this is terms and conditions. There's another paper. Health and safety, what does it say? To avoid electric shock to your device, do not charge device while it is wet or in an area where it could get wet. Do not handle device, charger or cords with wet hands while charging. Okay, so this is like a standard warning. Now let's see, let's move ahead with this one. Now this is, let's see what this is. This one, and let's see if there's something else. Doesn't look like there's anything else. Let's keep the box to the side. Let me open this one. These teeny tiny boxes, let's see. Okay, so this is the cord. This is like a USB cord here. And I'm surprised they do not provide a adapter, it seems, and which is kind of, we're always short of adapters, like I am always, so I don't know why they have not provided one. So this is the thing we've been waiting for. Let me open it up. It's so cute, you know, you can just slip it into any bag or any, you know, in your pocket. You don't need any, like, it's with cords and everything. It's always like, if I put it in my bag, it's always like a 5 minutes job to just, you know, detangle it and make it run working. This is like awesome. I really love the way it is. Oh wow, look at that. So as they promised, like they did say it's a mirror like reflection, mirror like finish. It is mirror like finish. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look at the shape. They're so pretty. They're little cuties. And this box, I mean, it's just gorgeous. Look at the box. And I think when I place it in, the green light is on. Let me just try it one more time. Yeah, it says one red. Oh, why? It was green before when I opened it. I'm still learning. Yeah, so here you see there is another indicator. And let me open it one more time. I don't know why it is red. Maybe the base charger, I mean, it's not charged enough, and that could be one reason. So this is the unboxing of my Samsung earbuds, and I am super excited for this one because, I mean, this is just gorgeous. Look at this. They're little beauties, you know. So now I'm going to do this, that I will come back with more information on this. I will try this one on, and I would really, you know, tell you guys how the sound quality is. And other than that, I'm going to also have a recording or a open I'm going to open the box in front of you when my phone arrives and my watch arrives. So see you guys, and thanks for watching.